let us solve this rational equation. I'm going to solve it by forming like denominators and then crossing those denominators out. But if I'm going to do that, it will be easier if I factor. Okay, so this first denominator is going to factor as, x plus 5 times x plus 5. This denominator is exactly the same thing. Interesting. Meanwhile, the third denominator is just a single x plus 5. Well, if I want the denominators to be the same, I'm going to have to give this denominator another x plus 5, which I can do as long as I multiply the numerator by x plus 5 as well. Now the denominators are all the same. Once the denominators are the same, I can set the numerators equal to each other and just cancel out the denominators. Okay, so I can form a valid equation by making 5 plus x plus 4 equal to, and I'll just go ahead and distribute this, so that'll be 3x plus 15. So this should be a valid equation. Alright, if the denominators are equal, then the numerators will be equal. So, combining like terms, I have x plus 9. I'm just combining the 5 and 4 is equal to 3x plus 15. Subtracting x from both sides, that leaves 9 is equal to 2x plus 15. Subtracting 15 from both sides, alright, gives me 2x equals negative 6. Then dividing both sides by 2 gives me x is equal to negative 3. So that should be my answer. I should say, so the answer is B. But you should always be on the lookout for excluded values. So for example, looking at these denominators, they all tell me that x cannot equal negative 5. Okay, so that's an excluded value. So if I ever got the excluded value for my solution, then that would mean I had no solution. Alright, but in this case the answer is B.